How you doing today, YouTube world? My name is Taylor Singleton. I'm coming at you with my second video. It's been a few months. I made my first introduction video just to let you know who I am and that I'm going to be bringing some great content to you. And I'm here, my second video. And what I'm going to talk about is income shifting, okay? The title of my video is, what is income shifting? Some people may know, some people may not know. Probably wondering, okay, what is he talking about? If you just the word in itself, meaning that money is being shifted. Okay? So, what it is it's a concept that I teach with my business. Show people how to make money without laboring. Okay? He's like, make money without laboring. That means you're not having to work for that money. So most people say, oh, wow, that's great. I'm making money without having to physically work and clock in. Yes. And it is very important and essential for you to be able to make income that way, because the times we live in today, we don't own, well, we never have, but we don't own the jobs that we work. Okay? And days are gone is where you had the 100% guaranteed pension plans, where you work for a company 40 years and then you retire making a 100% pension. Those days are gone. So now, over the past, say, about 20 years, they've put in place the self-contributions, where you invest into a 401k, 403b, and maybe the company may match you dollar for dollar. That's about much as they do, but their days are gone where you're getting all your money. I mean, the company's paying for your retirement 100%. So we have to be educated on how we're going to get this done, because everybody will retire one day, whether it be by choice or by force. And you need to know your FIN, your financial independence number, how much money you need to have when it's time for you to retire. Because if you don't know that dollar amount, if you're not investing that dollar amount, then you're going to find yourself in a jam. So then what's going to happen next is you find yourself getting another job, what's called a retirement job, what a lot of people get. You retire from one job but your retirement income is not enough money to make ends meet. So you then have to get another job to supplement your income. Well, we're going to show you how that all can stop, okay, with this income shifting strategy. Showing people how to make money without labor. So we're going to show you different financial strategies that's going to keep more money in your pocket, but also multiply the money that you're making. So, the first obstacle that we face, I have four obstacles. You have inflation, okay? Cost of living going up. Okay, inflation hits every 18 to 20 years. So your money doesn't double with inflation, then you lose your buying power. Then you have high taxes. Majority of Americans, their paycheck gets taxed 1/3. So you're losing a third of your income out of your paycheck before you even get it. It's money you work for, but your rich uncle named Sam is taking it. Okay, so that's a problem. And then you have debt, okay, because you go into debt because you're not making enough money. Your gross income doesn't match your net income, okay? But when you go to finance houses and cars, you're getting that payment. They give you that loan on the basis of your gross income on money you're not even bringing home. So that should be a problem in itself. So that's setting up a shortfall, because you're paying on money that you don't bring home. You're making a lot less. All right, so then that causes you to get into the debt. And then you have the fourth income is you have lack of financial knowledge. You don't know how to invest your money. So those four obstacles, if we don't beat that, then we have a problem. But we live in a capitalistic country called America. If you don't understand capitalism, you will be capitalized on. So what I'm going to be showing you is how to beat capitalism. Okay? So I just covered the obstacles. Inflation. Your job's income doesn't keep up with inflation. Taxes. Killing your paycheck. Debt. And then you have lack of financial knowledge. All right? So with those obstacles, we do have a solution to it. For my business, we're going to show you how to beat those obstacles. So, you join me in business. That's what you do. We're going to show you how to, by having a business itself, you have a limited amounts of income that you can make. Okay, unlike a job is only so much money you can make on that job, and then you have a salary cap. They can give you more duties, work you more hours, but won't pay you more money. That's the problem. Okay? Then, by having a business, you can make unlimited money. That's the first thing they'll show you how to get this business, show you how it works and operates. But now with a home-based business, that's going to cover the tax issue. When you have a home business or a business, you get allotted tax deductions. Okay? Things that you do every day that you're spending money on can now be tax write-offs. So like eating out, traveling, paying your kids. What else? Cell phone bill, cable, internet. All those things you use can be tax write-offs by having a business. But if you refuse to get a business, then you're going to continue to pay those expenses and get no benefits, get no deduction. But if you see the opportunity, you know you're going to spend this money on these things anyway, why wouldn't you get a business so you can make it tax deductible and get paid off these things? Okay? So now we covered the tax issue. We're going to lower your taxable income by having this business in place. And we're going to educate you on how to do that. All right? Then, also, your W-4 adjustment. We're going to show you how to fill out your W-4 form correctly. So if you have a job, like I said, most people I talk to, they lose anywhere from $200 to $1,000 a month to taxes. Okay? You know, there's no law in place. Rule says you have to pay taxes. Everybody has to file their taxes. But everybody doesn't have to pay taxes. Everybody doesn't pay the same amount of taxes. Okay, I don't know if you looked at presidential elections, debates, in the years past when Obama and Romney, they were going at it. He was asking how much tax you pay. And how he pays not less money, but he pays less tax. He has a less tax percentage than his secretary. And he makes more money. He pays percentage-wise. He's on a lower scale because he's a business owner. But then his secretary is the employee. When you're an employee, you're volunteering to pay the most amount in taxes. So you're going to pay a third in taxes. So the money you're losing out your paycheck, I'm going to show you how to adjust your W-4 form. The form you fill out on your job, telling them how much money to take out the taxes. I'm going to show you how to fill out that form. And then less taxes going to come out in most cases, you're going to get less money taken out your paycheck. And it's still not owe at the end of the year. That's big, folks. Because that just gave you a pay raise without working another hour, without working another job. That's winning, folks. Why wouldn't you do that? You got a pay raise without having to work another job or work extra hours. by using the simple strategy. That's what we do. We teach you strategies to keep more money and to make more money. So now we fix the tax issue. We gave you a pay raise. So now we're going to teach you, maybe show you how to cut some expenses if you can. But now the extra money that you get from paying less taxes, that's going to help. That's going to pay on your debt. That's going to help you get out of your debt a lot quicker. And then while we're doing that, we're going to educate you on investments, how they work, this between stocks, bonds, mutual fund, annuities, different insurances, term, whole life insurance. We're going to educate you on all the different investments so you can make a proper investment for yourself and your family. So now you just put yourself in a position to win and leave an inheritance to your children's children and retire comfortably by doing that, because now you have a business and now you can make a limited amount of money. Because think about this. With all I shared with you, if I showed you how to pay less taxes, eliminate debt quicker, invest your money. Also, I forgot, I didn't mention credit. We're going to help you get your credit fixed. Better credit, these lower interest rates, you pay less. The dollar amount for payments on financing things is less. So there's more money back in your pocket. So if I showed you how to pay less taxes legally, fix your credit, eliminate debt, invest your money, would you hold that a secret, or would you share with the world? Or at least would you share with your best friends and family? Wouldn't you do that? That makes sense, right? Because what kind of person would you be if you found out all this great information, you kept it a secret? You wouldn't be a good brother, a good sister, good, mother, father, cousin, niece, nephew. You wouldn't be a good one. So now by sharing with other people, you can now make even more money. But I just showed you how to make more money without even selling anything or actually sharing information with people. Okay? But so you're gonna eliminate debt. You're gonna beat inflation by having a business. The business is gonna allow you to pay less taxes on your job, more money back in your check without working more hours. Gonna fix your credit, eliminate debt, and learn how to invest your money, and know your FIN, your financial independence number. So now you can leave an inheritance to your children's children, and no one has to the brink of poverty, and you don't have to. No one has to start over from scratch every year, all the time. So basically, like every generation is born, everybody works for 40 years, and then you retire broke. You don't have anything to leave anybody. That can stop with you by learning this strategy, learning this, using this system, and putting your family and generations to come in a better position. So, folks, that is income shifting. If that makes sense to you, you're ready to shift your income from negative to positive. Reach out to me. I'm at 704-605-8465. I'm on Facebook and LinkedIn as Taylon Singleton. That's Taylon Singleton. Get free, folks.